Hey, this is Chris with Paragon Inspection. Today I'm looking at a home that was built in the 70s and want to discuss with you some of the things we're looking for when we look for foundation movement and potential structural settling. This house, while we haven't been inside, we look for multiple factors, but the first thing we look at are the exterior facings of the foundation, which you can't see on this one because of the soil level being high. But we also look for cracking in walls. And so on this wall, you'll see 4 or 5 different spots where there's some pretty noticeable cracking, and it travels long distances up through the wall. There's also one here that makes its way almost all the way up to that gable vent. There are 2 at the bottom of this window, and the most noticeable one, and the one with the largest gap, is the one that comes over up here. We actually have some noticeable, pretty significant separation between the mortar and the brick. So while these signs right here aren't necessarily indicative of saying that the foundation is moving on this house, it is a possibility. So we're going to look at the rest of the house. We're going to look for binding doors. We're going to look for evidence of movement inside the home. And this may or may not be a factor that contributes to a determination that an engineer needs to view this home and see if the foundation is solid and good. So let us help you with your inspection needs. Paragon Inspection. Thanks. Take care.